As a busy mom of two, I'm always looking for ways to save space and make my life easier. That's why I'm so excited to show you these 5 IKEA hacks. They have been total game changers in our home, and I know you're gonna love them too. Hack number 1, I turned this shelf bracket into a place to hang my jackets. For those places in your house where you don't have space to hang things, I have this really cool closet under my stairs. It's a utility closet. It houses our electrical stuff like our speakers and our modem and all these cable cords, but it's valuable space in our home. And since a lot of homes in California don't have coat closets, this is the perfect DIY coat closet situation. Hack number 2, shoe storage using floating shelves. Listen, I love a good shoe basket, but sometimes I still can't find the other shoe. Using these floating shelves just makes it so easy to visually see the pair of shoes and go. To hang the floating shelves, follow the IKEA directions, but definitely keep in mind the distance that you want each shelf to be. So depending on what shoes you're gonna store there, you wanna measure that ahead of time. I knew that I wanted about 7 or 8 inches in between so I could put grown-up shoes and little kid shoes on both shelves. Hack number 3, hidden jewelry storage with the IKEA mirror. Now this mirror comes with hinges, which is pretty cool, and it leaves just enough space to organize jewelry behind the mirror. Once the mirror was hung, I opened the mirror and on the back of the mirror started hanging my command strips. A great little tip is to use painter's tape or any other tape in a level to create a straight line so that all of your hooks are evenly spaced. What I love about this hack is it helps you visually see all of your jewelry and you can line it up perfectly. Even though this mirror is slim, there's actually space to hang behind the mirror and directly on your wall, so you could have so much storage for your jewelry. This hack made me realize how much jewelry I'm not wearing. I've forgotten about so much of my jewelry. I love how I can see all of my necklaces all at once, choose the necklace I want to wear, close the mirror, attach my necklace, check out my outfit, and go. Hack number 4, turning a spice rack into a kid's clothing rack. I already knew that I wanted to use the top one to house books, so I immediately anchored it to the wall, slid it in, and added the books. For the second spice rack, I flipped it over and used it as a place to hang some clothes, and then as a shelf to house some toys and little trinkets. And in our house, I love letting my kids choose their own outfit, so this is great. And I love the birch wood, the naturalness of it, but you could also paint these shelves. I've even seen people add a ton for books, and you can do a whole wall of them. I love all of these hacks, but dare I say, we saved the best for last because hack number 5 is the IKEA rolling cart, and I decided to use it as a guest room comfort cart. There's so much personalization you can do with this rolling cart. I found these gorgeous storage gems from open spaces and wire baskets and little storage bins to really personalize each tier. On the top tier, I have bath and body products, shampoo, conditioner, washcloths, a sewing kit, a loofah, and a little foot massager. On the second tier, I put essentials like toilet paper, extra towels, feminine products, Kleenex, a steamer, and a blow dryer. IKEA also sells this really cool wooden top. You could use it as an ironing board or a cutting board, but I love how it creates an extra shelf. The best part about this rolling cart is once your guest leaves, you can restock it, roll it back into the closet, and it's ready to go for the next time you host. Now that I have these 5 IKEA hacks in place, I feel less stressed, more organized, and things just work smoother. I hope you love this video. Let me know what your favorite hack is below. Hit that bell so you never miss a video, and share this video with a friend who needs some organization in their life. I'm Brandi, and I'll see you next time. Bye.